Yep, another quick video showing you where I've gotten so far. Got this thing raised up a little bit like I want. Little detail between this and that detail there. This piece back here, what it looks like. Now it's going to be cut down these. This is too wide right now, but I'm not sure how wide it has to be and where it's going to cut into these parts. But I just like the fact that these are circles. It almost looks like the engines could rotate upon this axis piece on here. But it does have to be symmetrical because when it flies sideways, it's in this position. And I didn't want it to be non-symmetrical that way. And of course, the redone flaps. The other ones were at an angle, as some of you might remember. And I just didn't think it looked right. And yeah, so that's where we're at so far.